Hello guys, I am Shubham Kirme. So there are the today's Viva topic contain the synchronization in Java topic. So let's move toward the synchronization in the Java is the capability to control the access the multiple threads to any shared resource. So there are the Java synchronization is the better option where we want to allow only one thread to access the shared resource. So why we use the synchronization in Java? So let's see that the synchronization is mainly used to prevent the thread interference and to prevent the consistency problem. There are the two types of synchronization in Java. The first one is the process-based synchronization and the second one is the thread-based synchronization. So let's see each one of them in detail. So the first one is the thread synchronization. The thread synchronization, in that content there are the two types of the thread synchronization. The first one is the mutual exclusive and the second one is the inter-thread communication. So let's see the mutual exclusive. In mutual exclusive there are the three types of resources. That is the synchronized method, and the second one is the synchronized block, and the third one is the static synchronization. So and the second one is the cooperation. Cooperation means the inter-thread communications. In that content, the mutual exclusive. In that mutual exclusive keeps the threads from interfering with one another. It can be achieved by using the following. By using the synchronized method, and the second one is by using the static block and by using the static synchronization. In that contains the concept of lock in Java. The synchronization is built around an internal entity known as the lock, and it contains the monitor. So every object has a lock associated with it. So by convention, a thread that reads the consistent access to an object's piece and has to acquire the object's lock, and before to accessing them and then release the lock. So when it's done with one of them, then the Java package, the Java util.concurrent locks contains the several lock implementations. So there are the examples of the synchronized methods by using the anonymous class. So in that program we have created the two threads by using the anonymous class. So there are the less coding is required. So when we are creating the two class, and there are the two in that class containing the two methods, and we are calling that method, each one of them. So by using the synchronized keyword, then according to that time they are calling one method by using that references, and it can give the proper value for iterations. And if we are not using the synchronized keywords, then it will give the different values according to their compilations. So at that time, and when we use the, so let's see when the deadlock happens. If there are the two classes contain the two methods, by using the static block they are processing in between one of them, then at that time there are the deadlock will be happen, because each class each class having a lock. So when the lock will be released, then this method will enter to that class, and when there is another class will containing the lock will release, then the another class containing the method will goes into that class when that lock will be released. So at that when we are using the synchronous keyword, then according to that time there are the red signal of that console is on. So that's all about the synchronization in Java. Thank you guys.